Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a few little Valentine's Day gift ideas as well as the Valentine's Day bouquet, as you can see from the title. But before we get started, I just want to say, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Also make sure you're following me on Instagram. That information is linked down in the description. Make sure you leave a comment if you like it, and also share this video out. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so for the first tutorial, what you see here is I have these little cutesy mailboxes. I got these last year from the dollar spot at Target. They open both on the back and the front. It's just a little bit of tape right here, so I'm just going to leave that there because I don't want them to open the back. I just want the front to open. So from a previous haul that I showed you guys, I have some little items that I am going to put inside of these little mailboxes for my youngest two kids. So I have some Valentine's Day pencils here. Those probably won't fit, but I did buy these. And I don't know if Cam is going to be too keen on getting bath bombs, but I'm going to put one in there anyway. These socks here that I bought for autumn. I got squishies, so I'm just going to set this stuff and see what actually is going to fit inside, and then we will get into decorating it. Some cutesy little foam stickers. I have these. I bought these last year as well, or did I get these this year? I can't remember, guys, but I have these. I also still have these, and those are just stick-ons, as well as these like felt hearts and the foam hearts. So, I know some of you may think that, oh, it's kind of too feminine for Cam, but it's Valentine's Day. I don't know of too many masculine things that you see for Valentine's Day, and it shouldn't even really matter nowadays, you know. It should just be however you want it to be. So just stick these all the way around just to make them look nice and cute. And I'll probably take a Sharpie or something and write their names on it. Or use my silhouette to print their names off. So, you know, you can keep decorating it if you want, or you can just leave it like that. I think I am going to leave them just the way they are. I don't want to put too much on them. But the good thing about these is that the kids can reuse them for other little trinket things they may have in their room. And they could just use that for that, you know, to hide stuff or whatever they want to use it for. So that is our first tutorial. Let's move on to the next. Okay, so for this tutorial, we're going to make the Valentine's Day bouquet that I was telling you guys about. Now, I got this jar from the Dollar Tree. It says love, and it's got hearts all around it, so we don't have to do much decorating on the outside, but I do want to make the inside look very pretty. So, let's get started. this is a very simple, very, you know, plain kind of bouquet. Not too much going on with it, but I like it. I think it's nice. My son is going to like it, especially when he realizes it's also candy in there. So let's move on to the third and final little gift idea. Okay, so this is going to be our last and final little Valentine's Day gift idea. I've done this once before, I think maybe 2 years ago or last year, I can't remember. But I'm going to do it again because the kids like it so much. And like I said, this is for my last two kids, and it's going to be really simple and really easy. So let's get into it. So this time I have this little kind of mesh. I hope you guys can see it. I hope it's picking it up on camera. But it's this kind of little mesh stuff I used for something else. But I'm going to just use this to put in the bottom. And there you go. That is our last and final little gift giving idea. So let's show them all together. Okay everyone, so this is what it looks like all together. These are really quick, really simple gift giving ideas. Most of the stuff, like I said, I got from the Dollar Tree. Everything else I got from the dollar spot at Target. You can create anything you like. I'm just giving you a few ideas for like little kids, and you know, if you have someone that celebrates their birthday, like my third oldest child who will be turning 20 on this Valentine's Day, you can make them something simple like this. He obviously will be getting more than just this little decorative glass or bouquet, whatever you want to call it, but I always like to do something handmade and special for him. I've done it ever since he turned 1 year old, and I'm going to keep doing it probably until I die. But I hope you like these little gift giving ideas for Valentine's Day. If you like them, please give this video a huge like. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I upload. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. That link is in the description, as well as the link to my blog and my shop. Those are a link below, as well as the link to the book I wrote almost 5 years ago. So thanks guys, thanks so much for watching, thanks so much for the support. Make sure we're also sharing these videos out because I want to get to 10,000 subscribers so that I could go ahead and do the giveaway that I want to do for you guys, just to show my appreciation. So until next time, bye.